This is where most sites go off the rails. You've got a solid homepage and then suddenly 6 extra pages no one asked for. Let's skip that part. This video's about adding only what actually helps and cutting everything else. You're watching part 4 of the Wix Portfolio Site Starter Guide. If you've followed along so far, your core pages are solid. Let's keep that momentum going. This video covers how to add supporting pages without cluttering your menu or breaking your site's flow. We'll go over when it actually makes sense to add things like a gallery, a blog, or a testimonials page, and how to build them inside Wix Studio so they still feel like part of the same site. If your site's going to grow, it needs to grow the right way. So let's get into it. The core is already done, and that's more than enough for most portfolios. But if you've got more to show or more to say, here's how to expand the right way. Add a portfolio page if your work is highly visual and you've got multiple collections or projects to show. Use different gallery layouts to keep it interesting. Copy the infinite scroll gallery from the homepage, or stack repeaters, bricks, and custom containers. Create a testimonials page if you've got client quotes or results worth highlighting. Use a repeater with 1 card per testimonial. Add names, roles, and optional client logos to build trust fast. Use a blog page only if you plan to post. Wix Studio's built-in blog manager lets you customize it with your site's colors and fonts via the theme manager to keep it consistent. A FAQ page works if you're answering the same questions over and over. A My Process page works if people want to know how you work. And if you've done a standout project, a case study page shows your thinking, not just the result. None of these are required, but if they add clarity or confidence, they're worth considering. Extra pages only help if people can actually find them without getting lost. The goal is simple: keep your top menu focused and let the rest stay discoverable without taking over. In Wix Studio, open the Pages panel. Here you can reorder pages, group them into folders, or hide them from the main navigation. Use drop-down menus if you have multiple projects, case studies, or blog categories. Group related pages under a single top-level item like Portfolio or Resources. Hide pages from the menu if they don't need to be accessed directly, like a client review page you link to from an email, or a long-form case study featured inside a blog post. To hide a page, click the 3 dots next to the page name and toggle off Show in Menu. Keep your visible menu to 4 or 5 items max. This keeps things clean on desktop and prevents clutter on mobile. If you've added more, it's time to group or hide. Remember, good navigation looks clean and helps people move through your site without friction. Once your supporting pages are built, the last step is making sure they're easy to reach without overwhelming the visitor. Add internal links between pages. If you mention a service on your homepage, link it to the full service detail or portfolio gallery. To do that, select the text or button, click the link icon, and choose Page from the options. Use buttons, text links, or image overlays to guide people through the site. This works especially well on repeaters or galleries, where clicking a card takes the visitor to a full project or testimonial page. Avoid dead ends too. Every supporting page should have a clear next step, whether it's back to portfolio, view more work, or your global contacts section at the bottom. If you've hidden pages from the menu, make sure they're still reachable from somewhere else on the site. And remember, everything should feel like part of one site. If a visitor clicks through 3 pages and the layout or tone shifts suddenly, something's off. Stick with the same spacing, colors, fonts, and alignment rules across every new page. While Wix Studio already gives you a lot, a Wix subscription adds more power under the hood, especially as your site starts to scale. Supporting pages add real value, but only if they're built with intent. Add them if they help visitors understand your work, build trust, or guide them to take action. If they're just filling space, skip them. Use the layouts you've already built, keep the navigation clean, and link everything together so your site feels connected rather than scattered. By now, you've got a full portfolio site that works on every screen and guides people exactly where they need to go. In the final video, we'll walk through the last steps before launch so everything works the way it should, and follow the full guide to keep building a site that actually does something. You're almost there.